after fermentation process. That's why now it's possible to roll it. Before are crispy. So if you try to roll it, breaks. Okay? It's after 6 months in the package.
Okay.
Friends, let me explain you something. Can I be quickly? I've been rolling cigars all my life, okay? So since I was like 8, 10 years, I've been dealing with cigars, rolling and smoking cigars. So to roll one cigar for me looks easy, but normally requires time, experience, and dedications, okay? That's why it's 1 minute or maybe less to roll one cigar. Of course, ladies, I'm good with my hands. That's why the Cuban ladies love me. I mean, because I know how to clean, how to cook, okay? Ready? So look, after fermentation process, nicotine gets concentrated here, most percent of it. To make and create the most authentic Cuban hand rolled cigars, I remove it. So I remove the addicting part. So, but I have to remove it leaf by leaf to make and create this kind of cigar, you see? Now the leaves are free of the most percent of nicotine. That creates addiction, dependence, okay? Very good. Look, cigar friends have to be rolled leaf by leaf. Cigar is not cut as a cigarette. Cigarette is the leaf with the vein cutting in pieces. Cigar is different, it's only leaf by leaf. Look, one by one is made like this. That's to balance the cigar inside, 3 parts to make and create one cigar. Filler is inside. Binder for the combustion and the wrapper outside leaf. So it's filler, binder, and roll. Okay? All cigars here, friends, are by hands. Look. Remember, I told you we don't use machines to make cigars. One by one is made like this. Combustion leaf. The factories now they use as a glue maple syrup from Canada. Ahorn syrup. Here our glue is only little behind. The factories now they put this in the machines. They press it to give size and shape. Here we don't use machines. Honey the glue, little bit. Friends, Cuban cigar is already done. Look. One by one is made like this, only leaf in and outside. Of course, this one now is impossible to smoke it. You feel the leaf is humid. Also the honey, so it's gonna be good to smoke tomorrow morning. Now it's humid. Look.
No bueno.
I'm quiet, okay? My friends, don't worry. Sometimes after 5 mojitos in Cuba, sometimes happens, okay? Ladies, it's only cigar, okay? So tomorrow is gonna be good. When tomorrow the cigar is dry, it's good to smoke. We store it in packaging like this. Look the package. The package are made with the palm leaf outside. It's a protector, but also it's the most ancient natural humidor to conserve it and preserve it. You know what a humidor is?
Oh,
A humidor is a good box with a clock marking the percent of humidity inside the box. That box is a special box, that's why it's so expensive. Okay? But to conserve and preserve these cigars in your country, if you don't have that special box, you don't need it to conserve this cigar. You have the leaf. The leaf conserves the cigar inside moist and fresh. Okay? In your countries, you only put in plastic bags, normal plastic bag like this. Okay? In the bottom part of the refrigerator, close to the fruits and close to the vegetables, you conserve these cigars 5 years, good quality as now. So during 5 years, the cigar is good. But after 5 years, same cigar, but the qualities get down. Because inside, during the fermentation process, we don't add chemicals to preserve it and conserve it. Okay? Friends, let me ask you a question, maybe a stupid question.